Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to insert rows and columns in Google Sheets. Google Sheets lets you add rows or columns to an existing spreadsheet on the fly to help you organize even better. Whether you want 1 or 10, above or to the right, here's how to insert rows and columns into Sheets. Open Google Sheets file that you need. We will begin with inserting a row. Select the in-between row that you need. Right-click on it and choose Insert Above from the list to insert the row above. Choose Insert one below if you want to insert a row below. Next, we will show you how to insert columns. Select the in-between column. Right-click on it and choose Insert one right from the list to insert the column to the right. Choose Insert one left if you want to insert a column to the left.
That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!